Yeah. What's up, guys? This is my new mixtape. Yeah. Smoking tree up on the ski top. 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 Yes, we are blessed. Yes, I got all the smoke up in my chest. Don't get it wrong, I learned from the best. Please don't put my skills to the test, because if you decide to, then you will be completely screwed. I just like to fuck with people who fuck with me. Order that pizza, better have that pepperoni. Yeah, I seen that girl, man, she look hella cute. Got her 7 digits, now we bout to screw. I look into her eyes, it's like the ocean blue. And if I must say, what a frickin' view. I seen her walk to school in them shorty shorts. I wanna play her just like my favorite sport. I hope she doesn't mind, I got allergies. I need to smoke that green, yeah, we call it weed. Cruising down the street, me and my team. Rolling down the windows, blowing out the steam. And I'm always gonna do the best I can, making music and I'm making beats. If a cop gon' stop me, I don't care, because I'm living the life, 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 I'm living the life. Yeah, I'm living the life, I'm living the life, I'm living the life, I'm living the life. I'm smoking weed on the ski top. I'm smoking
tree
weed
up
on the ski top.
Smoking tree up on the ski top. Smoking tree up on the ski top. Smoking tree up on the ski top. Smoking tree up on the ski top.
Hey guys,
Smoking tree up on the ski top.
just be happy the mixtape is coming out. It's gonna have some featured artists on it that I'm working with. Caitlin Clare, the Australian chick, is gonna be on there. A boy named Skittle. No, I'm just fucking. He's not gonna be on there. Ha. But it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned, man.